Moringa soup is a simple soup made with drumstick leaves. It's warming and incredibly nourishing and helps you keep your vitamins and mineral levels topped up. Start by taking 1 cup of moringa leaves, 1/4 cup of tuar dal, 1 cube tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of whole pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoons of fennel seeds, and 1½ cups of water. Pressure cook these till done. Now strain the broth from the cooked ingredients and set aside. Blend the cooked ingredients to a smooth puree. Next, heat a thick bottomed pan and pour in the puree. Add 3 cups of the saved broth plus water. And the required amount of salt. Stir occasionally. And bring to a boil. Serve hot, nutritious moringa soup.